Hello, hi friends, how are you? Fine, okay. Today we discuss the subject operation management. In operation management, inventory control, inventory management concept is a very important concept for each and every industry. So we look here inventory control. First, you see here the introduction of the inventory control. Inventory means the materials in stock. Inventory may include raw materials, spare part, finished products. WIP means work in process, semi finished products. Labor also include inventory. So inventory keep at a equivalent level, that is no more no less. Keep inventory at equivalent levels. So it is necessary to hold inventories of various kinds to act as a buffer between supply and demand for efficient operations. So smooth and efficient operations keep inventory at a equivalent level. Inventory control is a planned approach of determining various questions: what to order, when to order, and how much to order, and how much to stock. So, find these questions answer in the inventory is very important. Inventory control basically deals with two problems. When should an order be placed? That is order level. And second, how much should be ordered? That is the order quantity. So inventory, the size of this inventory is depend upon various factors such as internal lead time for purchase, supplier lead time, vendor relations, and availability of materials, sometime government's import policy, or the annual consumptions of the materials. So scientific inventory control require, because inventory excess as well as shortage inventory affects operational efficiency and cost. So excess and shortage inventory affects on the operational efficiency as well as cost. Excess inventory not only involve interest cost but also expenses on space for storage, also affects insurance, watch, ward supervision, sometimes damage and obsolescence during the storage. So shortage inventory or too little inventory increase risk of out of stock. So inventory is a very important concept because smooth and efficient operation processes, that's why keep the inventory at equivalent level. So inventory generally refers to the materials in stock. The material may be raw materials, work in process, finished products, labor also included in the inventory. So those items which are either stock for sale or they are in the process of manufacturing. Okay, so inventory, that is the raw materials, work in process, finished products, spare part are stock in the store. Okay, we see here various types of the inventories. That is first, raw materials inventory. These are the one type of the inventory. Raw materials inventory means inventories are used for the process. That is for example, round bars, angles, channels, pipes. So basic unfabricated materials which have not undergone any operations since they are received from suppliers. So raw materials, these are the types of the inventories. Second, brought out parts, that is the finisher parts purchased from outside suppliers. Third, work in process inventory. Work in process inventory, that is semi finished products are the various stages of manufacturing. If you manufacture in the semi finished products at the various stages of manufacturing. Then fourth, finished goods inventory. This refers to the completed products ready for dispatch. Finished goods inventory means ready for the dispatch in the market. So this refers to the completed products ready for the dispatch. Then transportation inventory. The transportation inventory is a result of extended or longer transportation time. Then anticipations inventory. It is the inventory for the future need in case of plant shutdown. So these are the anticipations inventory means in case of plant shutdown, industry store the materials. So these are the various types of the inventory. So questions arise in your mind, why the inventory is important concept. The reason behind this, why inventory keep at equivalent level, we see here various reason. The first reason, to stabilize the production. The reason for keeping inventory is to stabilize productions. Hence, the inventory is kept to take care of this fluctuation so that production is smooth. So, for smooth working condition is, that's why there is no interruptions in the production. So, to stabilize the production. Second, to take advantage of price discount. Some when industry purchase raw materials, various supplier provide the price discount. So take advantage of the price discount. When in bulk, require immediately, this inventory is maintained to gain economy in purchasing. Okay, that's why take the advantage of the price discount in the economic. Third, to meet the demand during the replenishment period. The lead time for procurement of materials depends upon many factors like location of the source, demand, supply, condition, etc. So, inventory is maintained to meet the demand during the procurement or replacement period. That's why in the replacement period use the inventory. Fourth, to prevent loss of orders or sales. In this competitive scenario, one has to meet the delivery schedule at 100% service level. Means they cannot afford to miss the delivery schedule. So result in loss of sales. So to avoid this, organizations have to maintain inventory. So to prevent the loss of orders, these are the one of the reason. And fifth, some time other reasons. For for example suppliers minimum quantity conditions. Okay, sometimes supplier have the minimum quantity conditions, that's why keep the inventory. Or sudden increase in price, sometime some raw materials announce increase the sudden price of the materials. So or availability of materials or a sudden increase in price, that's why keep the inventory at a store at equivalent level. Then second, so inventory is a very usable resource keep for the various reasons. That's why there is no stoppage of the productions or there is no interruptions in the production process should be very smooth, continuous, without stoppage. That's why keep the inventory is a very nice control various technique, for example ABC analysis, UOQ, FSN analysis, so weight analysis. So various inventory control uh, technique use how to control the inventory. Okay, we stop here. Thank you very much.